Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create playlist on the Spotify. So if you want to create a playlist of your favorite song, simply you have to follow this procedure. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application. Once you will open it, you will see your library option here. So click on it and you will see your library is here. Also you will see a plus icon on the right top, so click on it, and here you have to give the name of the playlist and then simply click on the create. Once you will click on it, now you will see recommended songs, so you can simply add a new song here. Search songs one by one and select them. So click the plus icon, then plus icon, plus icon. So you will see all the songs are added to my playlist. So this is the procedure. Now you will see tutorial song playlist is created and it having different songs right here. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.